Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Steak Kun foods, full guide. Preheat a heavy skillet, pat steaks dry, season lightly, and set rice cooking while you prepare sauce with soy, mirin, garlic, and a touch of sugar. Sear steaks on high for a crisp crust, finish on medium heat to preferred doneness, rest 5 minutes, then slice thinly and serve over hot rice with sauce spooned generously. Begin by mixing soy, mirin, grated garlic, and a teaspoon of sugar for a balanced marinade that enhances beef without overpowering it. Trim excess fat and lightly score thicker areas so heat penetrates evenly. Bring steaks to room temperature to avoid a cold center, then pat them completely dry to ensure proper browning. Use medium-high heat, a heavy pan, and resist frequent flipping to build a great crust and flavor. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep easy, so your sliced Steak Kun stays neat and saucy without spills, perfect for lunches on the go and weeknight leftovers. They stack nicely in the fridge and clean up fast, which saves time for cooking. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Heat a cast iron or heavy skillet until it's very hot and slightly smoking for an instant sear that locks in juices. Place steaks down without crowding, press gently for full contact, and sear until a deep brown crust forms before lowering heat to finish. Use a thermometer or touch to gauge doneness, then rest steaks 5 minutes under foil so fibers relax. Slice thinly against the grain and drizzle with warm sauce for serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.